Okay, so this is to show the House of Vacuum Central Vacuum Kit and what these items in the box are for, kind of how to use them. So here's a brief overview. One of the telescopic wands that is included is going to be for the power nozzle. You notice the cord here, hose connects in. This is telescopic to your height, and it retracts back in. This is going to be the other telescopic wand that is included. This is for your pure suction tools, dusting brush, crevice tool, and the floor tools for your bare flooring. Again, hose goes in here, and you can adjust this out for your height as well. Of course, you have your 35-foot hose that comes in this kit. This kit it will work with both direct connect and pigtail style. Pretty about 90% of all homes are going to have a pigtail style. So essentially you plug this hose into your wall outlet. When you want to use your power nozzle to groom all your rugs and carpeting, plug this into the AC outlet nearby. And on the actual pistol grip hose handle, you're going to have two switches. Well, it's one switch, but it's a dual switch. You're going to press the one for just pure suction, bare floor cleaning. In the center is turning everything off, and then over to 2 for the power nozzle power, and then back over to off in the center there. This is the German-made Wessel power nozzle. LED light. You can press on this for a 1 through 5 setting, depending on how thick or low the carpeting is. Get that all the way up to 5 or all the way back down to 1. Typically about 2 is normal for most homes. Telescopic wand will slide right in and locks in, and then it will stand up. To get that down, press on the lever, and of course it will lay completely flat for you. Also included is what they call the flip and turn tool for bare flooring. It's a customer favorite. It's one of our favorites here at House of Vacuums. So essentially you can be cleaning the floor. You can really get around things. This goes on your pure suction wand. Reach this out, and now you can really effectively clean all the bare flooring in your home. Sweeping action with a natural horsehair, so it's not going to scratch anything at all. Also included in the kit, you will notice, is another floor tool. This we also include for some that just want a wide area standard horsehair brush. This one will do bare flooring as well, but it's not going to give you that 360 swivel action like I did to be able to get around things. It's a traditional floor broom for a vacuum cleaner. And then in turn, the traditional tools, dusting brush for dusting lampshades, upholstery, fan blades, typical furniture, stuff like that. Upholstery tool for cleaning all the upholstery. Then a long crevice tool for getting down in the sofa cushions around furniture. That is in that kit as well. Also, you're going to have a hose hanger included. Mount this on the wall, wrap your hose around that for easy hose management. You also are going to have a tool caddy. This will mount on your hanger once mounted on the wall. Then you can put all your vacuum tools in here to keep everything nice, tidy, and clean. Lastly, we also include a hose sock. A lot of customers ask, what in the world is a hose sock? I quickly describe it as pantyhose for a hose. It slides over the entire hose, so when you're dragging it around your crevices, your walls, the moldings, the furniture, the plastic hose is not wearing on anything, so essentially it's a bumper for your entire hose. So that's a quick brief overview on our House of Vacuums kit. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at the store, 336-885-8340. Thank you.